Our new electric air duster just arrived, the X115. Excited to use this thing, should be super handy. Thought I'd just do an unboxing on camera so you can see that it comes packaged really nicely, comes in good condition, and then so we can just see the actual product itself. I know that's super helpful for me when I'm trying to decide if I'm going to get an item. Little instruction manual is just seeing the product from like a real person instead of the brand video is always super helpful for me. So let's see, power button right here on the back, indicator lights, battery indicator lights. Right here's the trigger, starts blowing, little blue light inside of it, which is pretty cool. That works great, super strong, super powerful. And then here's the adapters that it comes with. There's two of them right there, round head and a flat head. And then you got a much longer nozzle to get into some trickier spaces, and your charging cable. So excited to use this. Feels great in the hand, just all plastic, nice and small, a little bit of weight to it, but not heavy at all. So super excited to use this. Let's see, how do these attach? Oh yeah, so you just spin them off and then those spin on, super easy.